shield's doing good, dog.
Oh.
Oh, there you go, boy.
Oh.
Easy. That body.
Oh, it's acting up today, y'all. Uh-oh. Oh! God.
There you go. You're right there. I made it harder on yourself. You should just sit straight up.
Only one more reset. Oh!
We're gonna have to put some body pins on it. I'm that way too. I tried finding it whenever that kid's over.
Golly.
Alright, we're gonna do some body pins.
So what you write on the board for him, man?
All right, so he did not finish, right?
Yeah.
Because he actually went to point out. So he actually, so each time he hits a gate, it's actually like the 10 points.
Yeah.
And then each time he goes to touch it, it's actually 10 points.
Okay.
So he actually touched it or actually hit a gate 4 times.
Yeah.
And that last time he did it, pretty much did the 5th time.
Yeah.
So he actually went to DNF. He got 44 points, and he actually has a plus 44. It's automatically 44.
It's automatically 44 minus whatever the progress.
Oh, he did progress.
So it's whatever the progress is, because he gets credit for the gates that he went through.
Oh, okay.
So you would write total progress is 10 there, 10 points.
Yep.
Okay, bam. We coming up to the next car, y'all. Who next?
Charlie's ready.
Charlie.
Where Charlie? Who is Charlie? Okay. All right, guys. Coming up next, we have Charlie from H-Town. What's the name of your car, Charlie? Look like a little buggy. Got a little sensitive steering. Oh, look like he got rear steering too.
Ready? Oh. No, not yet. Yeah. You're going to have to go on the light.
Yeah, they're going to give you a pro tree, man. You got a pro tree, man.
No, I'm just
Ah. Come on, baby. Ooh. I ain't got enough grip. I ain't got enough.
I've got the same time.
Okay, there you go. He ain't touched nothing either. Okay, 3-wheel motion. Oh, he done landed it. What's the time? Oh, he did that. That was a nice cut. Oh, I ain't see this a progress too. So what's the deals on these? You can't touch them at all, or you can't knock them down?
You can't actually touch the gates. That's what makes it the channel.
Okay.
So they can do anything else anywhere else.
Yeah. Yeah, he got rear steering on there.
Super close to the gate over here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, he got the car sitting right on. That's what it's called, high center. Uh-oh. Ooh.
What's this time at?
3:45.
You have a minute 20 left.
Ooh, I see a spider. Ooh. Come on, baby.
Working that rear steer.
Yeah, you working it.
Oh, you hit the top one.
What more do I have?
What's this time at?
Boom.
Hey, that's the first time I've ever driven this truck like that, dude. I'll take it. Well, I don't have the first one killed me. I should have.
My people say that rear steering, you doing a good job, man. That's clean.
Cool.
You working that rear steering.
Cool. Beginner's luck.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's not easy working it because you got your throttle, then your steering, and then you're trying to add another steering to it. So now you're controlling the back of the car.
Yeah, that
What do
is a
you
lot.
finish with like 15 seconds left?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Like 20.
He only had 23 seconds left to finish the course.
Okay.
So if there's two people that complete the course perfectly, it'll come down to who ran the course the fastest.
Okay.
So
Well, right now we got one person. Well, that other dude, he didn't go through that gate, did he, right? The first
yeah,
dude?
he did, but he went off the bridge.
Oh, so he went through the gate, then went off?
I think he did that because he didn't want his